Hey, welcome to Tutorial Lore. This video explains the Kcex, the lowest crypto fees, app and whether it's worth using. Quick disclaimer. This is an explained review based on user feedback and publicly available online data, not personal use or a visual demo. Kcex is a cryptocurrency trading platform known for offering some of the lowest transaction fees in the crypto market. The app allows users to buy, sell, and trade a variety of digital assets with competitive pricing, making it appealing for both beginners and frequent traders. Kcex is available on iOS, Android, and desktop, and provides real-time market data, advanced trading tools, and secure wallet management. The core advantage of Kcex is its fee structure. Many users highlight the platform's minimal spot trading costs, making it cost-efficient for high-volume or active traders. Kcex also provides features like limit orders, market orders, price alerts, and access to liquidity pools depending on region and regulation. If you found this video helpful so far, drop a like. Now let's talk about real-world performance. Users appreciate Kcex for its clean interface, fast trading execution, and straightforward onboarding process. The platform's emphasis on low fees is widely recognized, and many traders find its charting tools and market insights easy to use. Security measures such as two-factor authentication and encrypted account protection also contribute to user confidence. However, there are a few drawbacks. Some features and supported cryptocurrencies may vary by location due to regulatory requirements. Customer support response times can be inconsistent based on user reports, and new traders may find advanced tools slightly overwhelming at first. As with all crypto exchanges, the experience is heavily dependent on internet stability and market volatility, which can impact usability during high-traffic periods. In summary, the Kcex app may be worth using if you want low-fee crypto trades, fast execution, and an accessible interface for both casual and active traders. However, if you prefer an exchange with extensive customer support, broader regulation-specific features, or deeper educational resources, it may not fully meet your expectations. This is not a commercial or paid promotion, but an informational video. For inquiries, contact the email address stated in the description.